Have you lost or want to enable your Facebook Marketplace option? No worries, here's a step-by-step guide on how to access the Facebook Marketplace option by using your iPhone or Android. To get the Marketplace option on Facebook, you need to have a Facebook account that is at least 18 years old and in a country where Marketplace is available. If you meet these requirements and you still don't have the Marketplace option, try the following solutions below. Solution 1. Update your Facebook app. Open the App Store, search Facebook. If you find any updates available, then update the app. Now open the Facebook app and check whether your problem is fixed or not. After that, try our next solution. Solution 2. Check whether the Marketplace option is hidden. Open the Facebook app, tap on hamburger icon. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Scroll down. Here you will get the navigation bar. Tap on it, and tap on Customize the bar, and ensure that the Marketplace option is made auto. Otherwise, tap on it and make it auto. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not. If you still have the issue, then try our last solution. Solution 3. Reinstall the Facebook app. Press and hold the Facebook app. Then tap on the Remove button. After that, tap on Delete, and your app will be deleted. And now, reinstall the app from the App Store. So, this is how you can get the Marketplace option on Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.